Pilates pants.
In Pilates pants, yes.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yes, it's your turn. Let's.
Oh my gosh.
Watch
So
the
if
match.
those are the ones that we pulled, then we'll pull these. 'Cause
All right.
these will be different. Gotta turn it around, ladies.
All right.
Color.
This
is awful.
Yellow.
You choose. Yellow, sure. What the heck was that?
I can't do this.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
No, wait, I can't make sounds?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's like a
gonna have to
general
make
sound,
sound.
it's
Okay,
fine.
it's
But
like
it
a
can't be
general
words.
sound.
Just
Fine.
can't be words.
Alright. I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Okay. Getting shot.
Yes.
Close.
Machine Gun Kelly.
No. Boom! Ah!
Crossfire.
Close.
Running.
Target.
through-
Something target.
Moving target.
Moving
There
target.
you go.
Yeah. No.
No. Okay, well you said fire, so we can put that.
Okay. Firing squad.
Ceasefire.
No.
Fire at will.
Firing brigade.
Can't
Fire.
do that again. Okay, hold on.
I like how when something doesn't work, she goes to it again and again.
Again and again.
She's so versatile. She's so versatile.
Yes.
I can't think of anything
You didn't
else.
get it the first time. We'll get it this time.
Ah.
The Academy Award for dumbness. Good.
Shot in the.
Oh my gosh.
Fire. Fire when ready. Miss target. Miss target. No, fire. No, fire is part of the word. Ceasefire. No. Shh, don't talk. Oh.
Oh, I know what it is.
Line. Fire over the line. Fire on the hole.
Fire. Slide. Fire side. Fire side. Oh.
Over the line.
Okay. Okay.
Fire line. Line
Oh,
of fire.
outside the line
Thank
of fire.
you.
Outside. Line. What? Line of
In
fire.
the
Yes.
line of fire.
Yes, line of fire.
Oh.
So
In the
you'll-
line of fire.
In the line of fire.
Get it? Get it?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Keep doing that. a couple
Keep doing
times.
it.
It's
Keep
going
doing it. We'll
really
get it.
well. I got it. Keep doing it. Again and again.
Alright. That was really hard.
I got
okay?
it.
That is hard, yes.
You got it? You
I
did?
thought it was redundant.
What else can you do for that?
You got it. They got it.
Yeah, we got
It was
it.
Drawing a
perfect.
line in the sand.
Yeah, it was the line.
Yeah.
Made everything come
Sure.
together at the end.
Actually, the words when you wrote them on the board made it
Yes.
happen.
No, because you said something, you were like, oh, I got it. You knew what it was.
Well, he was just saying
Yeah.
Were you just saying that?
No, I did when you put the line on the floor.
that. Okay.
Like with your foot, you made that line.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I
Like,
thought
I
you were-
was running, and then I didn't get hit, and then I ran again, and then I got hit. Get it?
Yeah.
In the line.
I don't know.
It's fine.
Sure.
It's hard.
It
It's
was
a
that
hard
was
call.
I
nice.
keep
Hey,
getting really hard
they
ones
got
where I
it.
have to
Yeah,
drop
They
to
got
the
it.
floor.
Anytime people get it, eventually, it's a good one.
Okay.
All right.
It's time for you to make a fool out of
Okay.
yourself,
What color?
Emily.
What color?
Alrighty.
Green. That's right. What's happening?
Okay.
Time.
She's so enthusiastic.
Wrist.
It's contagious.
Phone. Clock. Watch.
Yes.
Watch.
She's so full of enthusiasm.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, this one just sucks.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, watch.
Watch. Line. Line watch.
Stopwatch.
So you get it?
Apple Watch.
Time watch. Computer watch.
Clues.
Computer.
Smartwatch.
Log watch. No. Stopwatch. No. Time watch. No.
That was counterclockwise.
Counter.
Probably just because I'm doing it
Okay.
this way and you're looking at me.
I got excited. Robot watch?
Kind of.
Oh, really?
Future watch.
Kind of.
Robotic watch?
No.
Electronic watch.
Close.
Jetson
Digital watch.
Yes!
Really? Okay, good job!
Yes!
Wow, she's killing you
It was
guys.
either digital watch or a hay fever. Would have been my other option.
Oh, and then you would have had to fall. That would have been
I
great.
would not have done it. I was like, digital watch.
That was funny. Beep, beep, boop, boop,
I
boop, boop, boop. I get it now.
Yeah, I get it now.
Oh, it's your turn.
Oh.
Yes!
Yes.
You're doing good, though. You're really good at guessing.
Yeah, she's a good guesser.
That's about it.
Excellent guessing skills.
That's about it.
Alright, we're here. To see.
Actually, I don't know. Maybe you'll be great.
No, I doubt it.
She's gonna be great. I know it already.
Okay, what color?
Blue?
Blue.
Oh, no, we already did these.
I told
we
you.
already
another
did
one.
these.
You have to turn it around.
Okay.
You guys keep turning it around.
I just keep picking from the middle.
I'm just going to pick from like the middle.
That's fine, yeah. I think that's appropriate.
Okay.
Apropos.
All right, blue.
Yep, still blue.
Oh.
We have rules.
Oh, this is sad.
That's okay.
It's sad.
Oh.
Can you act out sad?
Well, no, I mean, it's going to be. All right, okay. Here
No,
we
I
go.
can't wait.
Okay.
So, how do you do word? What was word again? Little word?
No.
What was word?
What sounds like? One word. You can go one word. You can go 2 words. 3 words.
Hold on, let me think a minute. Sounds like. No, I know that. But I mean, is it word? Is that like small word or something like that?
No, that's not a thing.
In charade, yes, you could say like it's a small word.
Is that a thing? I've never heard of
You
that.
could
Never
go
heard.
one. You could go one.
No, 1 word or 2 words.
Yeah, one.
Or movie.
Okay, so
One word.
It's small.
Okay. What the heck?
Swimming.
Swimming. It's not swimming.
Stabbing. Driving.
Crawl. And it's a small word? I don't think so.
Sounds like
Okay.
loud. Angry.
Bear.
Scream.
Yelling. Shout.
Angry. Wait, so it's one small word.
Anger.
Anger. Yell. Scream. Frustrate. Avenge your grandparents' death. I don't know. I'm so
Oh, tantrum.
no. Small word.
mad. Mad is a small word.
Yell.
Yell. Mad.
Okay, what else? Cave? Caveman.
Cave.
It is a cave.
Bear. Sounds like bat.
Bat cave. Are you kidding?
kidding me?
Do you know what it is? Oh,
Oh, it was awesome.
Really?
What? Dome?
Thunderdome.
What are you
Locked door.
doing?
Shake. Locked door. Shakes. Sounds like.
I know what it is.
I'm doing the right thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Just like that.
Cow?
Go
Yell?
with the word you said.
Locked? Yes. Locked inning.
Rage!
Oh, rage.
Oh, I actually thought it was sell and you were yell.
I thought it was.
Oh,
I
I
like that.
know. No, cage, rage.
Okay.
I was raging.
You're in a
Right?
in a
Wasn't I
rage stage.
raging?
Wait,
Wasn't this raging?
It was pretty raging. I'll give you that.
hold on. Wait, you said it was one word and it was small.
Yeah, cage.
Oh, I thought it was all locked in a cage.
No.
That's not one small word.
That's why I was confused. Because I said locked in a cage and she goes,
Wait, you said the word cage. So
I said
Well-
cage. You said cage. All right, you get it.
that was traumatic. Point for me, please.
You're all terrible.
Dramatic.
That was a lot.
You all are
She
terrible.
goes, ah! Well, because I was raging.
True,
You're all
she's raging,
terrible.
alright.
Do I get a point too?
No.
No.
Why would you get a point?
Yeah, for
For all
That's
that
cheating.